Hello viewers, and welcome back to the AirTrades95 YouTube channel. If you're new around here, I'm AirTrades95 and here's a Pendolino. And if you couldn't tell, we are back at Watford Junction. We're back at Watford Junction. Yeah, we're doing more train spotting. So, yup. Anyway, if you're new to the channel, be sure to smash that thumbs up button in the face like a fucking boss. And as always, we will catch you guys in a minute. And there goes a Pendo, and on this platform is 73236 going to London Euston. Again. And I think it's actually going to be leaving in a second. Perfect. Oh, hello. 73236 is just leaving, and here's a Class 800. To somewhere. And now arriving on platform, one of the platforms over there is a Class 710 coming in from London Euston. The train now arriving on platform 10 is the 9:25 Southern service from East Croydon. This service terminates here. There goes 377704 coming in from East Croydon. Coming in on platform 6 is a passing service. I wonder what it is. It's probably a fucking Pendolino. And it's a Pendolino. I'm standing a bit further back. What? Oh. Thanks for putting that on camera. I'm gonna make that. I'm gonna add that into the list of YouTube. I'm gonna add that into the Word document where people have said random things in my videos, and they've just gone into that random document. Okay, so now that we've gone away from the trains, we're doing buses. So here is 4183 YX68 URG on the 322 to Hemel Hempstead. Coming in now is 375 BD14KX something on the 635 coming in from Hatfield, and behind is 2986 MX59JZA on the 20 back from Hemel Hempstead going to Holywell Estate. LG22 AYA on the Harry Potter studio tours. Coming in is a new MMC 4440 YY26 FSO on the 321 back from Luton. Here's 375 BD14 KXT on the 635 to Watford. And on that note, I think we are actually done here. Well, okay, so after the 20 that's just about to go, we are going to head off. But I want to say thank you guys for watching the video. If you liked it, then punch that thumbs up button in the face like a boss. And to end it off, here is 4327 SK68TXJ on the 20 to Holywell Estate. Well, actually, Hemel Hempstead. And on that note, we'll see you in the next video.